Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Guillermo Pereira from the shoe shop, and today we're gonna go ahead and create a video. Pretty much the plan for today is we're gonna go ahead and resole these boots. The customer requested something with a little bit more grip and a little bit longer wear. So what I'm gonna be using today is these 1136 Roshia. This is what I usually recommend for people who do heavy duty construction or just in general that are looking for heavy duty wear. So we're gonna go ahead and get them started. I just want to give you a little preview of what we're gonna be doing today. So stay tuned. I'm finally done with the resoling. So for the last step, what I'm going to be using is this Cadillac shoe cream and then some of this Lexol leather conditioner. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and mix them up. This is what it looks like once they're both mixed together. The idea of this is pretty much to condition the leather boots. I just want to go ahead and apply something that is going to keep the boots moisturized and nice and fresh. And at the same time for them to look really nice once the customer comes in to pick up his boots. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and mix, we're gonna go ahead and apply this on the boots, make sure they look really nice, and I highly recommend it. I highly recommend you guys give it a try. I'm sure you guys are gonna love it. So look for this Cadillac shoe care and some of this leather Lexol, and just mix them up and give it a try. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so unfortunately this is the end of this clip. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you did, please give us a big thumbs up. And at the same time, if there's any questions or any concerns, go ahead and comment down below and I'll definitely look into it. So you guys saw pretty much what we did. We resoled these boots, it look great. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I'm out of here. Guillermo Pereira from the Shoe Shop. Peace.